What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope everybody's doing well. Good afternoon from Bali, Indonesia. Gonna go over our friend Gala Games. Currently sitting at 0.026, down 2.8 on the day. Seeing market cap of 173 million. 24-hour is actually up a little bit, up to 65 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bybit, make sure to sign up. Why did it just close? Are you serious? Okay. Make sure to sign up for up to $30,000 in bonuses. Once you make your first deposit, you can email me or sign up email. I'll give you full access to my Discord of over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. You can check out my full length tutorial. The link is in the description and pinned at the end of the video. So let's hop into the charts. Gonna start here on the 1 hour time frame. So we saw a pretty strong rejection. I thought we might push up a little bit higher in a wave one. However, we can count a 5-wave move here. Actually, you could see a wave 1, wave 2 pullback. This was your wave 3, wave 4, your final wave 5. And now we're pulling back in the wave 2. So ideally, we'd want to see a bounce as we've already come down to the 0.786 at 0.024 to push up in a wave 3. The invalidation point for this to be a wave 2 pullback is down here at 0.023, which is the start of the wave 1. So we'd have to see a bounce relatively soon here for the price of Gala Games. If we look at our indicators, money flow is quite low, RSI is low, so there is potential for a bounce, but I think Bitcoin might see a little bit more of a correction here. Let me see if it came down to the minimum target. It hasn't quite reached 16.8, which was my minimum target for a wave 2. So we'll have to see what happens with the price of BTC. But ideally, you want to see Gala bounce from this yellow box and push up in a wave 3. What we're looking at is an ABC correction into a wave 2 before seeing continuation to the downside. We also have this double bottom pattern. So we'll see if Gala can push up from here and break out into a wave 3. Or if we do come down and break this low, potentially we'd have to look at some sort of recount where this would probably be the end of the wave C right here, and you would start to come down in that wave 3. Now to simplify things here for Gala Games, this is the daily chart. We do have a bullish divergence. We're creating lower lows, higher lows on the relative strength, as well as money is flowing back in, which are signs that you could see a push back to the upside. What I think will happen for the price of Gala Games is we'll push back up to retest the falling wedge once again. We'll get rejected, maybe see a little bit of fake out, breakout into the pattern, get rejected, and then come back down, as I do believe we're going to come down to that 0.01, basically 1 cent range for the price of Gala Games, and I will absolutely load the bags. But as of right now, we wicked up to the 20 EMA on the daily. We got rejected. But with those divergences here, just as we had that divergence that I was calling on Bitcoin on the daily time frame, as you can see, we created a lower low, higher low, money was flowing back in. And I said there was a strong likelihood we could see a bounce, and that's exactly what happened here. So I think the same thing could happen for our friend Gala Games, but we'll have to see how it plays out. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that is it for this one. Make sure to sign up to Bybit. You can check out my full length tutorial, up to $30,000 in bonuses. Email me your sign up email. I'll give you free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto at the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis as well as my trade signals. Recently locked in some gains on a Bitcoin long position, and it's the price of basically a Big Mac meal. It's cheaper than a movie ticket. So I'd recommend trying it out if you'd like to. It's only 10 bucks a month. And that's it for this one. Smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.